Now to create this roof, inside of our 2D view, we'll want to go to the roof tool. And for the geometry method, we'll want to make sure that we have multi-plane selected. And for the construction method, we'll want to make sure we have rectangular. From here, you'll want to click on the outside corner of your wall, and we'll drag our cursor all the way down to the opposing opposite corner, and we'll click again. And just like that, we've got a hip roof in 2D as well as in 3D. Now at the moment, our roof is covering our walls. So we'll want to deselect the roof tool by hitting escape twice until this field up here goes blank. And then we'll want to select the actual roof itself. With roof selected, we'll want to go up to its settings. So we'll click on the settings dialog just here. Now in the setting floor plan and section, just here, instead of outlines only, we'll want to click and go to projected with overhead. Now I'll typically want to make sure that the overhead lines are set to a dashed line as well, so that when we click OK, we'll still be able to see the outline of the roof, but it's not distracting too much from our actual floor plan itself. And this way we can actually see our walls and everything underneath that roof. If we click on these lines, we can still modify and adjust the roof from the floor plan view, so that we don't have to set this up every single time. When we go to draw our next roof, if we just simply hold in the Alt key or Command on a Mac, we'll have the eyedropper tool pop up. And if we click on the roof, this will absorb its attributes and make sure that next time, the settings will be the same as what we have inside of here. Now for real world projects, I rely on my template to eliminate setup and get drawings done faster. I've now made my template available for purchase. The link will be down below. Now to create a roof plan just like this, you'll want to check out this video just over here. We take it all step by step, so go on and check it out.